Trying to use DJI Phantom4 version 2.0 and Cosmostreamer. Here we well, Cosmostreamer box, Raspberry Pi 4, powered from ground RC via USB-C. Here is it. HDMI connected to display, local network Ethernet, and cable for smartphone. Turning on Phantom. Picking my smartphone, not broken, okay. Waiting as we can connect Windows application. Oh, here we go. Here we can see a video from Phantom to HDMI output and local network stream. Also we can control as usual from mouse, move gimbal, toggle recording, but most interesting is using DJI Go as usual. Okay, now we can see DJI Go4 and HDMI output from the same Raspberry Pi and local network streaming. And control works as usual. Okay.